So, multiplying monomials. So, 3x squared y cubed times negative 2xy. So, ang una nating multiply ay yung numerical coefficient. 3 and negative 2. Ayan, 3 times negative 2. And then, i-expand natin yung variables. X squared. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong x times x. And sa kabila, meron lang tayong isang x. Yan. Times x. And then, yung next variable is y cube. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong tatlong y times y. And dito sa kabila, meron tayong isang y. So, yan. 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. And then, meron tayong tatlong x. X times x times x. Tatlong x. So, equals to x cubed. And, apat na y. Y times y times y times y is equal to y raised to 4. So, ito yung sagot sa number 1. So, okay, number 2. So, numerical coefficient, negative 5 times negative 4. So, kanina in-expand natin yung variable. So, ngayon ay i-add natin yung exponents. So, dito yung a, ang exponent niyan ay 1. And then, sa kabila ang a exponent ay 2 or square. So, i-add natin. Yan. And then, b squared plus. So, yung exponent ng b sa kabila ay cube. So, yan, 3. And then, c. So, wala namang c sa kabila. Kokopyahin lang. Ayan. So, multiply. Negative 5 times negative 4 is equal to positive 20. So, i-add na natin yung exponent. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. And kopyahin lang yung c. So, yung sagot dito ay 20 a cubed b raised to 5 c. Multiplying monomials.